Welcome, today I'm with AirPods Max and I'll show you how you can enable or disable background sounds. So at first we have to open the settings, next we have to scroll down for the control center, and right now we have to add the hearing icon. I just link it, but you will find this this setup like that as default, so you have to find hearing right here, tap on the plus, and right now when you open the control center you will get this hearing icon right here. So when you tap on it once and another time right here, we are able to pick the different background sounds, like for example stream or rain. When you make it, you can increase or decrease brightness level. Of course you have to put them on your head to hear this background sound through the headphones. So take a look. And right now this sound comes in my headphones, not in the speaker like it was previously. So yeah, that's how we can enable the background sounds, and if we want to get rid of them, just simply mute the volume level right here and then tap on this icon, and right now the background sounds are turned off. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.